my name is Vince, and this is the controls of the Lamborghini. Like this, it's all looking like this. This is forward, this is backwards. This is going left, and this is going right. So let me show you how to drive it. And this, see this switch to turn it on and off. Let me turn it on, and let me drive it. Later, I'm gonna set some obstacles, so it'll be like a challenge to me. So I'll be good. What's the text? So this is light when I make it forwards. This is the light when I make it backwards. I mean, the red light. This is backwards. This is this. And this is forward. And when I want to turn it, I do this. Backwards is the opposite way. So this is how I do the obstacle. The Lamborghini has to go zigzag, go in here like this, and then go right here, turn. And these are the only stuff I'm supposed to knock down. If I knock down those, I lose, so I'm supposed to knock it down, and then knock this one down, and go all the way back there, and then I win. So let me try to see if it's possible. If it isn't, I'll make a new one, but without those. It'll take a long time. Oh, I did that. So I'm gonna make myself have only 3 lives, so that's 2. So hard. I'm gonna move right here. Knock it down. Knock that one. Oh. No. Knock it. I won. Never mind. This is running on the battery, so this is what happens. But before you drive it, make sure you fully charge it so it'll go long enough. And when you do that about like 25 minutes, it'll like run out of battery. So what the text?